Hi, it's Nørgaard. So first off, let me start by saying I broke this nail while trying on the pieces, so you will have to excuse my fucked up manicure. So anyways, today I'm doing a Fashion Nova curve try-on haul. So I was sent these 6 different pieces by Fashion Nova. I'm so excited. They are so cute. So as with all of my hauls, I'm going to show you guys the pieces and I'm going to show you how they look on my body, and I'm going to tell you what I think about them. So I do have a discount code with Fashion Nova. I don't remember what it's called off the top of my head, but I'm going to leave it on the screen. It's not an affiliate code, so I do not make any money off of it. So you can use it if you want to save some money on your Fashion Nova purchase if you want to. If not, it's totally fine, but it's there if you need it. And I will also link every single piece down in the down bar. And I'm actually not sure if it's going to be affiliate links or just regular links. I know I'm so out of it. I don't know if I have affiliate links or not. But either way, I'm going to link it down in the down bar. I always link everything in all my makeup tutorials, in all my videos, whatever I'm talking about, I always link it. If I'm a little bit scatterbrained, it's because it's really late at night. But anyways, let's move on to the haul. So for reference, I'm 5'10" and I usually wear a US size 10 or 12. And I carry most of my weight around my stomach and on my hips and on my boobs. So yeah, let's start with the first piece. So this is the super gorgeous latex looking dress. So this is called the Cora Latex Dress in the color wine. I got this in a size XL and it is $34.99. So when I saw this on the website, I thought it was so gorgeous. I thought it looked so high-end, and I thought the same thing when I got it in person. The only thing was that, girl, this is so tiny. Like when I got it, I was like, there's no way that I can squeeze into this. But I actually did it. I managed to squeeze down into this dress. It is stretchy, but even though it is stretchy, it's really tight on me. I should definitely have gotten a bigger size, because it kind of accentuates the rolls in like the arm area on the front and the back. But seriously, this is such a cute dress. I love the latex look and I love all the detailing up here. I love the cups. The cups are nice and big, so I can totally wear this with my boobs. What am I? I believe I am a 34 double D. Sometimes with these type of cups, they can fit small on me and my boobs can kind of spill out, but that doesn't happen with these. I think if I had gotten this in a size bigger, I would have been absolutely in love with it. But because it is a tiny bit too tight, a tiny bit too small, I'm not absolutely loving it. But if you get your actual size, I think you will love this dress. So this is the size XL, so I would definitely size up. So whatever size you are, go up one size. So next up we have another latex dress. And this one, when I saw it on the website, it immediately reminded me of something Kim Kardashian wore back when she had her blonde hair. So this is another latex looking dress. It is a tube dress and it's very long. It reaches down to my ankles. And as I said, I am tall, I'm 5'10". So this one is called the latest Model Latex Dress in the color black. I got this in a size XL. And this was $39.99, and as I said, you can use my coupon if you want to. But anyways, this one fits so great. I think this one fits true to size. This one is still, you know, it's supposed to be a tight dress, but it's not as tight as this one. This one just fits me so beautifully. It does have kind of like a little kind of rubber band at the top to make sure the top stays up. So I would wear this without a bra, and that's also how I'm wearing it in the try on portion. And I don't know what it is with this dress, but I think it makes me look so incredibly curvy, like on the bottom. I'm obsessed with how this looks. This is just so phenomenal. It's so cute. And it has a zipper at the back, and it also has a zipper all the way down here. So you can zip it up a bit, which I just think that's such smart and beautiful detailing. So I'm just so obsessed with this dress. This is just everything to me. When this just hangs like this, it looks so boring and so not cute. But once you put this on, it just looks incredible. So this is called the Frisky Feline Jumpsuit in the color charcoal. And I got a size XL, and this is $24.99. So I have wanted a jumpsuit like this for so long, like a full body jumpsuit that covers everything, but it's still, you know, it's still super sexy because it is skin tight. This just feels so incredibly soft. It really feels kind of like second skin. It's so soft. And for some reason I'm just loving how this looks on me. I just think it looks so bomb. I also love the little tiny turtleneck up here. It's nice and tight. Sometimes I find these kind of turtlenecks to be very loose, but this one fits really great. And then I have to mention another thing, and that is that I accidentally ripped it down here. And that actually happened last night when I was trying this on for the first time. And it happened because I have a longer torso. I'm tall, but my legs are not super long. My legs are quite long, but my torso is also long. And I so often have this problem with jumpsuits and play-suits. They will simply be a little bit too short in like this region. So everything was totally fine until I went to I was going to bend down and pick something up, and I just heard that ripping noise, and I accidentally ripped it here on the back. So even though it otherwise fits me great, it goes all the way down to my ankles. It's nice and long. It's just the torso part that didn't fit completely 100%. So if you don't have a long torso like me, you won't have that problem. But even though this happened, I will continue to wear this. I will try and stitch it up, and you know, if it happens again, I will make sure to wear some type of jacket over it. So if it rips, you won't be able to notice it, because I think this is so cute. It looks so amazing on. And I know they also have like an olive green color, I think, and I'm dying to get that one. So it wouldn't be a Fashion Nova haul without a pair of Fashion Nova jeans. I have tried Fashion Nova jeans in the past. I have had 2 pairs, and I really like Fashion Nova jeans. The 2 other pairs I had were a medium rise and a super high rise. These ones are a super high rise, which are my favorite. So these are called the Perfectly Classic jeans in black, and I got these in a size 13, and these are $39.99. I love the material of these jeans. They are super stretchy, but they're still a nice thick quality. They're definitely not thin. I love this type of jean. I love the slim, thin legs, and I love the super high rise. And again, that's because I have a long torso. So for me, it's always great to have something that's super high rise, because a regular high rise is going to be more of like a medium rise on me, and a medium rise is going to be more of a low rise on me. because of my torso. I also love the belt loops right here. Having belt loops is really important to me because I don't have a lot of an ass, so my jeans can tend to kind of sag down and fall down. So I'm almost always wearing a belt with my jeans. That goes for all my jeans, for my H&M jeans, my Lee jeans, my Levi's. I'm always wearing a belt to make sure they don't drop down. So that's really important to me. I also just like the simple style of this. I love that it's, you know, it's not distressed. I just love how classic this looks. I love the quality, and I love how these fit. And yeah, as I said, I got these in a size 13. These fit me pretty great. I'm definitely in between a 13 and a 15. But I think overall I'm glad I went with a 13, because if they loosen up throughout the day, they're not going to be super big on me because they are already just a tiny bit on the tight end. I wouldn't say they're tight at all, but they are, you know, if I had gotten a size 15, they would have been a little more big on me and they would easily have gotten baggy. But because I got a size 13, that's not going to be an issue. So this is the Wanderlust set. I got it in rose, and I got both items in a size XL, and both pieces were $19.99. And these two things are two of the best-selling pieces on Fashion Nova, and honestly they are so cute. Now personally I would not wear them as a set, but that's because of my body type. I never wear crop tops with kind of like a mid to high-rise legging, just because it emphasizes my stomach rolls too much. But I love both of these pieces and I would wear both of them. And I especially love the top. The top is so cute. I think it makes my boobs look so amazing. I love the length of the crop top. It's cropped, but it's not super short. If you have big boobs like me, you'll probably try the crop top that literally just covers your boob. So it's nice to have something that's cropped, but it goes down on the stomach a little bit. It doesn't just cut off right here. I also love that it's a hoodie. I think that just adds such a cute little detail. The leggings are also so cute. I love how long the leggings are. At first I was afraid that they were going to be kind of short, but they are nice and long, so they go all the way down to my ankle. And I love the material. It's so soft, it's so comfortable, and I would say both of these are true to size. So that's my little Fashion Nova Curve try on haul. And remember, all the links and my discount code will be down below if you want to check anything out. And I also just wanted to mention that even though these pieces were sent to me, you guys know I've bought from Fashion Nova half a dozen times before, and I'm always wearing their clothes on Instagram. So you guys already know I love their stuff. And yeah, let me know what piece you guys like the best. For me, it's probably a tie between the jumpsuit and the black latex dress. So yeah, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like this try on haul, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And by the way, did I mention this makeup look already? I don't think I did, but anyways, I did film this makeup look. It will be up later, and when it's up I'm going to link it down in the down bar. So yeah, that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and bye bye.